happening inside his classroom, जो मैं discuss कर रही हूँ. So and it affects people on every day on an individual basis, and it affects a lot of you as well, and most of you are working in denial or not even self-aware enough to understand that take care of mental health on a societal level. Next please.
They also call it like a negative connotation.
Exactly. And what the problem is that
to do or have you forgotten? So that's why it is the purity of heart, love, intention that you have towards another. This is our society, unfortunately. If you are suffering from any symptoms coming out of this crisis, do you know that you don't know the symptoms that are happening inside you and of the people around you? Do you know that you're not? We have come up with this innovation called Khana Imam Ahmadi, which is somewhat like a lot of people with similar interests sitting together talking about this specific topic of interest. Like the last one we did was about gender roles and discrimination. So you get हर चीज न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर के थ्रू पॉसिबल होती है. ठीक है? न्यूरो by definition is what?
Something happening in the brain.
Something happening in the brain, something that's the movement of your nerves. And there are transmitters that are taking that information from one side to the other. Right? So how does information move in our brain? Anyone who's familiar with that? Any science student here?
Electrochemical signals.
Electrochemical signals, which are also called synaptic contact. Right? So we know that nerves don't touch each other. There is a bundle of nerves at the end of every nerve, and then there's a spark there and your messages move forward. What if those sparks don't happen properly? Or if they keep happening, अब चल रहा है, spark पे spark है, ठीक है? ये आ ही नहीं रहा, डिप्रेशन होती जा रही है. जैसे अभी वो बात हुई थी कि गुस्सा आया तो बस चलता ही चला गया, फिर वो गालियाँ निकलनी शुरू हो गई, फिर दूसरे ने मुक्के मारने शुरू कर दी, ठीक है? फिर आपको गले से पकड़ ली. The balancing that happens inside our system, if the neurotransmitters are not working, the highs and lows are good. If I'm on the road, I have a car accident, a man comes off from the other car, he has hit my car, but he starts fighting with me. I need my hypomania to break his face, which I will. बट उसका ये मतलब नहीं, मैं घर जाके फिर अपने बच्चों के करूंगी, फिर उसके बाद खलसाने के करूंगी, उसके बाद you know I know where to use it and where not to use it. That makes me very smart. Look at my IQ. Sadly, IQ is mixed up with your body existence. It's not connected. Your ability to control yourself is all based on chemicals. केमिकल ठीक चल रहे हैं, मशीनरी ठीक चल रही है, गाड़ी की सर्विस कराई नहीं कराई, फिल्टर चेंज किया नहीं किया, तेल चेंज किया नहीं किया. And as I said, love is the oil that we need. It needs to flow through our bodies. The unconditional love and presence is going to give you that good oil change, right? However, your IQ and intelligence, that's another discussion. Your body will respond to your IQ. Your body is not creating your IQ. Remember that. So chemically, when you're at a disadvantage, what is getting crippled? When you have a body situation, most of your mental disorders are body situations. What is happening there? Is it a collapse of the body or is it a collapse of your IQ? बॉडी की है ना, तो फिर हम मेंटल वाले को मेंटल क्यों कहना शुरू कर देते हैं और उनको जलील क्यों करना शुरू कर देते हैं? किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है। अभी मेरे खड़े खड़े मुझे पैरालिसिस हो जाए, आपको सबको बड़ी सिंपैथी होगी मेरे साथ, लेकिन मैं पत्थर मारना शुरू कर दूं तो आपको बड़ी मुझे बातें बनाएंगे आप लोग। और यही सिचुएशन है कि you know what taqwa is, or have you forgotten? Are you still connected with Urdu or have you forgotten Urdu? Okay. So taqwa is the purity of heart, love, intention that you have towards another human being and the piety that you hold in your heart. मुझे जहाँ तक याद था superiority इसी है। अगर किसी को उससे ज़्यादा superiority हो रही है तो फिर उसको कुछ और ही हो रहा है जो उसकी समझ से बाहर है, शायद वो ज़्यादा बड़ा mentally disturbed इंसान। Remember, anyone who's passing inferiority complex to you is suffering from superiority complex. Alright? So superiority complex is also a mental disorder. It's not something that you can say is normal. And all of your disorders are normal when जब आप उसमें म्याना रवीक तैयार करते हैं. When you balance them out, you have the ability to observe yourself. I can have an anger fit, but is this the place for it? Right? So if I can control and behave and have command over who I am, I have all these disorders. You think I can't go into mania? My goodness, I can.